Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we're going to be testing out a foundation that I only have a sample of because they didn't have any more of my shade at my Sephora, so they just gave me a sample and they'll let me know when it comes in if I like it. Anyways, that's what we're going to try. It is the Sephora Collection Foundation, and my color is number 22, which is light natural. This one. And it says about this foundation that it is a weightless foundation with medium buildable coverage that blurs imperfections and conceals blemishes with a smooth, natural finish. And the girl at Sephora said I was gonna love it, so we'll see. It's for normal, dry, combination, and oily, so pretty much all skin types. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, improves the look of aging. I don't think you can, well, I guess you can improve the look of aging skin. It's got vitamin E, free of parabens and mineral oil, and that's pretty much it. So we'll just go from there and test it out. And I am not going to use the TikTok method because I did that with the last one, which was the Fenty Beauty one, and it looked really dry from the get-go. So I don't know if it's the Fenty Beauty or if it's just doing it that way. I still haven't tried it again. I was going to, but as you guys noticed, I didn't have a video this weekend, but I'm still going to put it up. It's just going to be late, probably tomorrow or the next day, but then I will get back on track and I'll explain everything in that video. So for now, we're going to go ahead with this one, and I'm just going to start with my Tarte Base Tape Primer because I've already moisturized earlier this morning. So let's put some primer on and go from there. I was going to order that Charlotte Tilbury, that new one. I can't remember the name of it now, but when I went to the website at Sephora, they were out of all the colors. But I just saw a review of the new NARS one from Allie Glines, and she loved it and it looked really good on her. So I ordered that one real quick because she said she had just gotten that one in PR, so they still had my color. I hope it's my color. So we'll be trying that one soon. Okay, and this one, like I said, I just have a sample, but I will put a picture of it right up here. So she didn't give me very much, but hopefully it's enough for one try. Let's see how I will get this out. I guess I'll use this little spatula guy. Oh, I had a lot more on that side. See if I can pull some of that over here. We're still going to go in with the sponge and smooth this out. But the color's good, which I kind of already knew because we did test it in the store, which amazed me that they're back to doing that, but I was glad. All right, that's definitely enough. It's very glowy. Okay, let's go in with our sponge and smooth all this out. I'm not too worried about the glow because I know I'm going to powder it. I just want to make sure I get the coverage that I want. Otherwise, I will build it up a little. But I really want something that doesn't get dry, doesn't sink into lines. I don't mind if a little bit of flaws show through, but I prefer none. Maybe we'll build it just a little bit, like right there where there's a few spots. That may be too much. Just gonna press all that in. And then we're gonna go in with our concealer. I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath. So I'm just gonna try and put just a wee bit, cover up the purpleness. So now I'm gonna go in and blend that out. All right, I think that looks pretty good. So let's go in with our powder. I'm gonna use my Bye Bye Pores from IT Cosmetics. And now I'm going to take my powder brush and just kind of spread that around. Set everything in place. I kind of like it so far. I like it better than I did the Fenty Beauty, but I'm going to try that one again without putting the TikTok method underneath it to see if that was the problem. So now we're going to go in with our bronzer. I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown, of course. This is the Bobbi Brown bronzer in Natural. I'm going to use this little brush. Well, it's not little, but it's smaller than the one I was always using, this one. But since it's winter time, I'm gonna go a little bit softer on the bronzer. I still want to bring some color back to my face and some depth, but I don't need to look quite as bronzy because it's winter time. So that's what we're doing. And now I'm going to take this, blend that out a little bit so that it all looks like it's supposed to be there, like it's not makeup. And for my blush today, I'm going to use this from Tarte. This is the color Seduce. I just wanted to change it up a little. I know I really like my Benefit Dallas, but I thought, you know, the same thing. Wintertime, we'll go a little bit lighter. Let's see if I can find a brush for this. This one looks like a good one. I thought this was a nice light rosy color. Just a little bit of color is all we want. I'm still going to use my Dandelion because it's the best. And I'm going to use both of those to do my eyes too. Just because we're kind of going for a, I don't know, not as glam. Actually, let's do my brows first. I'm going to use my NATASHA DENONA palette and use the powder. This one is called Smoke. That's the one I'm going to use for my brows. Real quick a minute. And I'm just going to use this e.l.f. one to do it with. Just push those over that way and these this way. And I tested this on my hand and I thought, oh, that's a good color. We'll see how well I did. I think I do like this color for my brows. I was using this other color and I used it the other day and I thought, you know what, that is just too orange. Which is why I decided to use this one today. I like this one. I think that's good enough. Let's put some gel on it. I've got this Milani here. We'll use that. That should tone down the red, maybe. Now, for the shadow, I'm going to use this blush that I used, the Seduce from Tarte. And I'm just going to put it all over my crease and my lid. Okay, now for my, I'm going to use this highlight also, the Dandelion, and I'm going to put that on my lid. Because I think it'll look so pretty. And then I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to put that blush underneath too. Now I'm going to go in with a smudgy liner and I'm going to use a powder. So I'm going to grab this sharp brush here. Let's just go with this little Maybelline guy. It's black. So I won't use the Tarte, even though hers was the best black. So I'm just going to do this in order to connect where my false lashes are, because I don't make them go all the way in. So I'm going to put this all the way across, trying to push it way down into the lashes, which is not too hard because my lashes are on the bottom. Just like that. And then I'm just going to add a little bit to the bottom to lift this outer corner. So that it doesn't look droopy. Because who needs droopy, right? So that's what I do. I just take some and I just draw a little triangle there and call it done. Now I'm going to go in with this Anastasia crayon and just put this in my lower waterline. Just re-brighten up this eye. Because it got a little smoky. A little smokier than I planned. Now we're going to do some lipstick and call it done. My face is getting red because it's getting warm in here. It was freezing when I put this on. Well, I got this City Lips and this City Lips. I like both of these. This one is Rose Hush. That sounds good, huh? That's a little darker than I wanted. Can you see that? Let's see what this one is. This one is Pink Nude. That sounds good. Oh yeah, that's better. It's very nude. But that's it. That's our look for the day. What do you guys think? What do you think of this foundation? I think the foundation looks amazing. It's not sinking into my wrinkles yet. It's kind of late, so I won't be doing a wear test. I mean, I will be doing a wear test, but since I have to get this video up tonight, I won't be coming in and checking in with you guys. I will just put in the comments how it turned out at the end of the day. Right now, it looks amazing, and I'm thinking it's gonna stay this way. If it doesn't, I will put it in the comments that it failed. Right now, it's definitely a thumbs up. Don't look at my hair. I get it done this week. And I was doing some qigong, and I needed it in a bun. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!